Mwuahh. Wow. It looks like twilight zone outside, so foggy and it's so thick and cold. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's such a big morning. Twilight zone. It's so cold. I think it's all we're having 10 degrees Celsius in the morning. Yeah. It's so cold and it's still September, but it's already cold. Yeah, so foggy. Oh my gosh, I'm so lazy doing vlogs today. I don't know why, but you know, it's already afternoon, and the last time that I vlogged was that it was early in the morning. I think it was just around 6:30 in the morning. And it's so cold. That's why I felt so lazy. And I just wanted to show to you this new flavor from Suntory. It's Chu-hi from Suntory. I don't know if this one tastes good because this is the first time that I've seen this one. Yep, it's a new flavor. I think it's a shiroi sour banana. So it's a banana flavored cocktail drink. Yeah, Chu-hi. It's called Chu-hi, but basically it's just a cocktail drink. So I want to try this one. I hope it tastes, you know, delish. So yeah. By the way, guys, I went to Daiso today. Yep, I went to Daiso again, but I did not bought any beauty. Well, I think I bought one, but it's just a cotton puff because I go through cotton puffs so easily. But I just bought something for the house. Yep, you know. It's my favorite store actually. So yeah, I went to Daiso today. What an exciting day. I saw something interesting at the store today, and it's from from Shiseido Integrate. It is a concealer, a salmon color concealer. This is, I think this is basically for the under eye area. Yeah, for dark under eyes. It has a salmon color concealer, and it has it I think it's duo concealer. It has a concealer and a powder that you would apply after you apply your concealer. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting product. It's new from Shiseido. Yeah, I haven't tried something like this before, but I was so drawn into buying this because I think the color of the concealer is is just perfect because it has a common salmon colored, yeah, concealer. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited to try this one, and it's from Shiseido Integrate. So let me know if you want me to do a review on this one.
sa upuan at isuot pa rin yung seat belt
Here.
sinturon natin sa upuan.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to ride on the plane. Actually, we had experienced that, no, when we came back here, no, Signo.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no clouds. It's not cloudy, but the pilot said that we were experiencing very strong winds. Oh, scary. Dosyo. Swimming na lang. Bro, look at my lipstick. It starts to gather outside my mouth. That's why I don't like lipstick. Yeah. From afar, it's not obvious, but from close up, baby. I don't like it. Let's try to drink this one. It's banana flavored Chu-hi or latest drink. Yeah. quite exciting because and quite interesting because it's banana and it has 3% alcohol in it. Yeah, let's have a drink. Kampai!